creating content isn't hard anymore. What's hard is creating enough content without burning out or spending your entire life editing. I spend less time editing, less time stuck in tools, and more time thinking and creating. That shift helped me show up more consistently and with more clarity. I want to start with something simple. Creating content isn't hard anymore. What's hard is creating enough content without burning out or spending your entire life editing. And for a long time, that was my biggest bottleneck. Quick disclaimer before we go any further, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm sharing my personal experience building my personal brand and the tools I used in my own workflow. I've also teamed up with Vmake on this video, but everything you're about to see reflects how I personally used the product. According to Vmake, you can create $1 UGC style video. Simply add something like this is especially useful for creating talking head style UGC ads. There are no guarantees here, of course. This is simply my experience and my process. See, when I was growing my personal brand, the issue wasn't ideas. It wasn't confidence, it was execution. Recording a video was easy, but turning that video into short clips, promo content, thumbnails, UGC style visuals, that part took hours. And the more time I spent editing, the less time I had to think, write and actually show up consistently. That's when I started restructuring my entire content workflow. See, here's the reality, most personal brands struggle for one simple reason. They treat content like their job. So they edit everything manually, obsess over tiny details, spend hours per post, and eventually they burn out. What I've learned is this: content isn't the business, content is distribution for your thinking. Your real job is clarity, positioning, consistency, and that's where tools like Vmake became useful for me personally. Let me be very clear, Vmake isn't magic, it's leverage. Vmake works on both web and mobile, and it helps me turn simple inputs into finished content, much faster than doing everything manually, of course. In my workflow, I used it to create UGC style videos, turn images into short form content, repurpose long videos, and optimize visuals for different platforms. Let me show you exactly how I use it. Now, this is one of the templates I use most. I upload a single image, that's it. I select a template, choose a style, and Vmake places the image into a realistic scene. Adds motion and pacing turns something static into a short video. For me, this is useful when I want quick supporting content without setting up a full shoot. Because setting up a full shoot takes a lot of time, trust me when I say this. No studio, no editing software, no complicated process. One thing I do appreciate is the fact that there's no studio, no editing software, no complicated process required when using this tool. Another way I use Vmake is for quick promo style videos. I'll upload a website screenshot, a landing page, or a storefront image. Vmake turns it into a short form video with motion, text overlays, and clear visual structure.
Welcome to Fashion House, where style meets inspiration. Discover our casual collection, comfortable, stylish, and ready for your everyday moments. Elevate your look with our premium shirts, designed for confidence and elegance. Make a statement with our formal suits, perfect for any occasion. Complete your look with our curated shoe collection. Step into Fashion House today and let your style shine.
I use this for announcements, content teasers, platform-specific clips. It saves me time and keeps my content visually consistent. Now here's the part that matters more than most people realize. A great video with a weak thumbnail struggles. Doesn't matter how great the content is, if you can't get people in the door, it's going to struggle. Inside Vmake, I can rebuild thumbnails, improve contrast, adjust focus, and clean up text placement. I don't rely on this alone, but it helps me test and iterate faster without starting from scratch every single time. Now here's how this fits into my weekly workflow. Step 1, I record one long form video. Step 2, I use Vmake to create short clips, generate supporting visuals, build promo style content, and optimize thumbnails. Step 3, I distribute across platforms. One recording becomes multiple pieces of content. For me, this made consistency realistic instead of exhausting. Now hear me out on this one. The biggest change wasn't growth overnight, it was sustainability. I spent less time editing, less time stuck in tools, and more time thinking and creating. And that shift helped me show up more consistently and with more clarity. And that's what actually builds a personal brand over time, I've learned from my personal experience. To round up, if you're building a personal brand, you don't need to do everything manually. You need systems that support how you think. For transparency, I did team up with Vmake in this video, and the link in the description helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. With that said, let's round up this video. I do want to say thank you for tuning in as always, and like I just mentioned, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel more importantly, and tap the notification bell. And that's it. I'm rounding this video up now, and I'll see you in the next video where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance and entrepreneurship. As always, take care now. Bye bye.